Welcome back to, yes, another build log. We're not even a month into the case that I currently own that I did about, I don't know how long it was, a couple of weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks. But nonetheless, yes, we got a new case here. There's a reason behind this. The old case that I currently have, it traps the heat in because there's no top exhaust for the heat. So we're gonna scrap it. We got a new case here. We're looking at the Corsair Crystal 570X case, and sweet God, it's gorgeous. Okay, here we go. So this case, for you guys who want to know, cost me $170 at the local Fry's. And it is mostly tempered glass, which is one of the reasons why I got it. Nonetheless, here it is. Oh, I think it's pre-built actually, so. Nah.
Everyone knows you're not wearing socks.
So? I am wearing socks.
Shoes.
You mean shoes?
Shut up!
Alright. That was nice of them to pre-assemble it for me.
What were you expecting?
Not pre-assembled? I was expecting the glass to be,
Separate?
yeah, separated, but whatever.
It's very casual. I like this better.
This is premium cloth. Oh, there it is. All of it's beauty.
Oh, I thought this was broken.
Yeah, no, it does look
okay.
Look a little. Let's look. Actually, let's look at it real quick. Make sure none of it's broken. Actually, it looks pretty good.
You lied to me. The rear and bottom aren't glass.
Well, it's four sides glass.
Like a refund.
All right. Yeah.
I'll shove that thin filter. Shut off.
Yeah.
Shut off.
Yes. All right. So that's it. Yeah, pretty simple. Ooh. So this is a mid-tower ATX case, and I'm not sure about the. I mean, that didn't fall off. I'm not sure about the SSD hookup, being that I only have SSDs in my system now. But hopefully, we could probably get away with mounting them, maybe right here, with some either maybe some like mounting foam tape.
Where do you mount the drives normally?
Well,
They just like on the back?
Yeah, there's two in the back here.
The 3.5-inch drives?
Yeah, but I don't have any 3.5.
There's 2 SSD slots right there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But I have 3.
Okay.
I do want to show them off though, so we'll probably just put them right here, mount them through these little.
See, that's why SSDs are good.
Yeah. All right, let's get to it.
Thank you.